Hi guys, this is my nephew Hazim. He's here today to speak with you about something which irritates me, sometimes irritates me. It's the US contractions. What's the purpose, ya Hazim, for using the contractions? Okay, most of the American or the Native American people, instead of saying I have to, they say it have to. Let me, want to, wanna. Why is that?
هشرح بالانجليزي بعد كده هحاول اترجم العربي. So the point of using contractions is to help make a conversation shorter, and decrease redundancy, and make a conversation more easygoing and simpler. This is only used between friends and close family members.
Absolutely not in a formal business setting.
Yeah, don't use this in a formal business settings because it makes you look unprofessional, and it may affect you negatively, have a negative effect on you.
Got it.
فهو ال contractions دي بتعمل ايه؟ اللي هو بيسهل الكلام بين اتنين اشخاص صحاب او عائلة قريبين من بعض، يعني يهزروا مع بعض عادي والحاجات دي. بس ما يقدرش يستعمل في اماكن زي اماكن الشغل، او لو انت رايح مقابلة للشغل والحاجات دي.
Informal parties or informal settings.
يخليك شكلك يعني شكلك مش موظف كويس في الشغل والحاجات دي، زي كلام فلاحي كده بالنسبة للأمريكيين.
Okay. I like فلاحي. Okay. Let's get into some of these words. Okay. Are you ready to say them out?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's kick off and read them out loud. Okay.
Let's get started with the US contractions. Want to is wanna, going to gonna, have got to, have gotta, or gotta by itself, doesn't really matter. Need to, needa, have to, let me.
Okay, turn over the board, please.
Kind of, kinda, want to, wanna, can you, canya, would you, woulda, and howdy you, howdy. Now, howdy is essentially usually used only in places far more in the south.
Westerns.
ده اللي هو الأماكن اللي هي الريفية في أمريكا.
Got that.
اللي هم زي American Cowboys والحاجات دي، اللي هم farmers والحاجات دي.
Pennsylvania.
بيستعملوا هاودي. بس هاودي دي مينفعش تستعمليها في أماكن civilized زي نيويورك والولايات اللي هي الكبيرة واللي فيها شغل كتير وناس كتير موظفين كتير، عشان شكلها unprofessional ومحدش بيستعملها.
Okay, thanks for your help, guy. Mwah.